It's another quiet morning. Clouds are hanging low. Coffee getting colder while the hours slowly go. I try to write a message, then I throw the words away. Some feelings don't know how to say. People pass by, but I still feel alone. Smiling on the outside, breaking when I'm home. It's a sad day, raindrops on my window pane. Every little memory comes back with your name. I tell myself I'm okay, but the truth won't fade. It's just another lonely, another sad day. The radio is playing songs we used to know. Every single melody brings back a ghost. I walk the same old streets we promised we would roam. Now they're just roads that lead me home. I wish I could forget you just for one night, but love is a shadow that follows the light. It's a sad day, raindrops on my window pane. Every little memory comes back with your name. I tell myself I'm okay, but the truth won't fade. It's just another lonely, another sad day. Maybe time will wash the tears away. Maybe sun will find my heart someday. But till the morning changes gray to gold, I carry this story quietly untold. It's a sad day, but I'll breathe and stay somewhere beyond the rain. There's a brighter day. Till then I'm learning to live with the pain. Just another sad day. Till I feel okay again.